Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use text to speech. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, open your browser, then go to google.com. In the search bar, search for 11 Labs. Then tap the first website. Perfect. Now guys, here we have a multiple type of voice. You can select a voice for men or for women. Let's select Brian, and here write the text that you want to transfer it to speech. Let me delete this. For example, hey, how are you today, for example. Then tap this icon.
Hey, how are you today?
Perfect. Now let me choose another voice for Lily, for example.
Hey, how are you today?
Perfect. Now guys, if you want to write something very big, you can tap tell a story.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where the skies were painted with shades of mystic hues and the forests whispered secrets of old.
Perfect. You can also change the accent. For example, if you want a speech with a British accent, you can tap here and choose the British one. For example, if you want a Turkish or Romanian, or if you want to Dutch. So here we have a multiple accent voice, okay? And also we have a multiple type of voice. So for example, let me choose French.
Dans l'antique Eldoria, là où les cieux étaient peints de nuances mystiques et où les forêts murmuraient des secrets.
Perfect one. So guys, if you want to download the voice, you need to create a new account. The creation account is for free. You can just tap here, try for free, and you can create a new account and you can able to download this page. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.